Hello guys, I am making a pack opening video. I'm gonna be opening an Upper Deck Series 1 2016-17 cards, and I'm gonna be opening this brand new tin. So let's get into it. This video might be a little longer because I'm not going to cut anything out. Deck Series 1, valuable, collective value, Young Gun cards, rookies. I don't know how to read Spanish. I'm not Spanish. I'm American. Upper Deck Series 1, hockey, don't know what the signature is. So, top card, every time you get one of these, you get it. The top card I got Nathan Bentu. It was the Winter Classics. Again, this guy was on the Canadiens. It was Canadiens versus Boston. I'm not sure who won that game. Okay. Wayne Simmonds. Can you see these cards? Yeah, you can see them. I know. Oh, crap. Wayne Simmonds, Kyle Turris, Dundrew Palt, Tyler Johnson, Young Gun, Zach Snafford, Alexander Borski, Brock Nelson, Jake Gardiner. I'll be right back. I need to go get something. I'm getting my cases if I can find them. Okay, I'm back. I just needed to go get my what are they called? Cases for my cards, but of course I couldn't find them, so I just took my stack of Young Gun, no Peaches, and I just took all my rookies that I have in cases. This guy I have a double of, if you can even see that, I'm not sure. Because I don't have that much room to work with. Yeah, you can't even see it. So if I move it about right here, you see that I have double Zach Sanford. So, yeah, I went to go look for my hard cases. I couldn't find them, so I just have to put this one to the side. So I remember to put it in the hard case when I find one. And now I'm going to open some more packs. Second pack. Okay. Jaromir Jagr. This guy's old. Chris Tarancki. Bo Harvard. Campus Joe Pileski. Alexander Birdstead, Cam Flower, Ryan Glaston, Mark Stone. Next pack. That campus card is cool though. I never knew hockey players played soccer before to practice or something. Cian Counter, Nino Mariner, Thomas Tatar, Blake Wheeler, Andrew Hammond, Jordan Mackey, Alexander Wenders, David Pereski. Next pack. I was gonna say, why can't I open this pack? Okay, Cam Axon. Hey! Artem Napasuna. Ryan Spooner. Chris Dorvick, Young Gun. Let's go! Mike Covell, Matt McInnes, Drew Stafford, Ryan Johnson. So I already got 2 Young Guns, a canvas, upper deck portrait already. That's just crazy. How I already have that many good people. And of course I don't have hard cases. That's probably why they're doing this. Sorry, because I don't have hard cases. And I don't have those thick hard cases either, so. Okay, Sam Bennett. Sam Bennett, Bennett Pole, Alex Hevsky, Gabriel Lanster, Adam Greeny, Carl Sembra, Chris Lazar, John Gibson. Person in the background is my dad. If you can hear him. Okay, so next pack, Jake Vernon, Daniel Guerrero, Jonathan Quick, Oscar Cleanfeet, Matt Molson, Nathan Beauty, Anthony, forgot his last name, Mike Fisher. Sam Renty, Hendrik Zetterberg, Tanner Person, John Kilber, Brandon Holby, Nola Hoffen, Brooke Orpey, Dan Badesky. Diego Hamilton, Jonathan Erickson, Leto Thomas, upper deck canvas, Brandon Sad, Jameis Neal, Paul Marthin, Paul Stanky, Merstall. Eric Johnson, Connor McDavid. I wish these were last year cards. Anthony Starman. Andrew Narson. Upper deck canvas, Young Guns. Need him. Vanis Chansey. Eric Hull. Jirla Hulk. More packs until this thing's over. I was eating popcorn in the back and I just dropped a piece on me, so I ate it. It tastes that good. Give me. I stop hitting the cards. Nicholas Blackstorm. Kevin Brisky, Andrew Goldglen, Eric Carlson, Young Gun, Kyle Connor. I have another double in this. Logan Cartu, Marcus Kruger, Scott Hunter. One more pack after this one, and then I'm done with the pack opening. Can't open this pack. Yeah, it's the perfect time for my dad to take a shower. Okay, that is annoying. Erlam Runto Lunglis, Shane Doan, Jenny Haynes, John Lethern, Rick Nash, Alexander Elder, Chris Palvsky. Last pack. Let's hope for something good. Okay, so I got Justin Falk, Andrew Borowski, Boonier Jr., ooh, Shining Star, don't know him, Jake Muzzin, Ryan O'Reilly, Jax Pezin, Sidney Crosby, there we go, that's all good. Okay, that's the end of our pack opening this time, so see you guys next time when I do my next pack opening.